Alright, good afternoon everybody. Good afternoon everyone. I have customer Lexus LS 400. This is old model, 1996 model. So it's complaining engine sometime not start. Oh my god, very old model. He said engine not start, but we try to solve this problem. Okay. Yeah, we customer lumang modelo, 1996 model. Ang reklamo niya, engine not start. Luma na nga modelo ni. Kawawa naman yung modelo, magiging kasi kadaruhan eh. Oh, magiging kasi kadaruhan pa rin kay one man, lapok-lapok man. Pukman siya. Old model. This car is my friend before when I was in a company. He came to me and he said, "Can you repair this car? This car not working, not starting." So I told him, I will try my best to repair your car. Because he is my friend before. We are working together in company before. Sasya nga ito sa aking amigo. Sauna, dito sa Toyota Sauna. Ayun siya nga kung kaya bang pandaron. Subukan na mo ni partner Pretty Boy.
Sauna to pasig nilangis. Sauna.
Among tanaw ni Pretty Boy og sa sakit ini. Kay mura magdako sakit ni kay daan naman. I-jumper natin dong.
Sige.
Kay hinay battery. Oh, lubat man. Kay old stock siguro ni. Long parking ni nga na. So our climate here is hot. Maybe 20 degrees. There is sun. Sometimes cloudy. If cloudy, cold too much. But now afternoon, it's become hot, the climate. During night time, it's cold. Hello everyone. Kumusta kayong tanan diha sa ato sa Pilipinas? Diha sa Batuliti, Barangay Alegria, Batuliti. Shout out dyan sa tanan na akong mga kaigsuunan. Dyan sa Maasin. Sa aking minamahal na asawa. Aking bunsong anak si Daryl. Pag akong anak si Rodney o si Rodel nasa Cebu. Good luck dong sa inyong pagkanta. Enjoy lang, enjoy. Okay. I'm here in Saudi Arabia searching money. Ngitag kwarta ba? Okay. Bye-bye. Now we are proceeding this troubleshooting. Because the battery is dead. Patay ang battery. Old model, 1996 model. Oh, how many years? 1996, almost 30 years. 59 years. Oh, still alive. But we try to solve this problem. Engine not start.